Have you ever tried chicken tadka? I'm sure you have not tried it before anywhere. This is the first time you're going to watch in my channel Cooking Story. This chicken tadka is my favorite item. Whenever I don't get time, I always try to make this in a hurry. It has that rustic flavor which is very soul touching. In fact, it's my favorite too. Hello and welcome back to Cooking Story, and this is Smita. So let's check the ingredient to make this delicious recipe. And the ingredients are Kashmiri red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt and sugar, green chili chopped, garlic cloves, homemade garam masala powder, ginger garlic paste, tomato slices, onion paste, kasuri methi, and our chicken keema. Now let us begin the recipe. First of all, take a heated pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil heats up, add 5 to 8 garlic cloves and 2 green chili chopped. Though you can adjust the spices according to your taste bud. Once it starts to crackle, then into it add 2 tomatoes cut into slices. Now stir it well and cook in a medium-high flame until the tomato turns mushy. Next, after cooking it for 3-4 minutes, stir it well and then add 2 onion paste into this pan and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Then again stir and cook in a very low flame for around 5 to 6 minutes. So I must strongly suggest my viewers to try this unique recipe once, and I am sure you will be fond of this recipe. Next, our onions are well done. Add half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and turmeric powder, sugar half teaspoon, salt as per your choice. Now again stir everything well and cook in a low flame until the onion mixture turns dry and oil start to release from all the sides. Now our onion masala dried up and oil also start to release from the side. At this point of time, add 250 grams of chicken keema and half teaspoon of garam masala powder. If you don't have garam masala powder, you can use stored broth. Finally, give a good stir from all the sides and then cover and cook in a very low flame for around 8 to 10 minutes or until our chicken keema are well done from all the sides. At last, again open and scrape so it doesn't stick at the bottom of your pan. And from this point you can see our chicken are well done. It changes its color and it's looking marvelous. Now as for tadka, take 1 teaspoon of oil, add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, half teaspoon of kasuri methi and 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Immediately drop into the pan and cover it and give a standing time for 5 to 10 minutes before serving it. Though please don't skip on the final tempering, it really elevates the flavor of this dish. And if you think today's recipe is worth it and you have tried it, then don't forget to comment in my comment section below. And if you like it, please do subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon. So whenever I upload new recipes, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy Cooking Story. See you again with another new episode. Bye-bye.